go again. Today we're going to Black Tiger Airsoft. We are going to sling some more plastic. We're going to feed the masses. That's the goal today. I got a lot of grenades. Again, they asked for it, we're going to give it to them. This is the Florida vlog. We're doing something.
Welcome each and everyone to Black Tiger Airsoft. We'll go over some base rules. I want everybody to listen very closely. Defrosty, pay attention. I'm out there for your safety, I'm not out there for your fun. 2 indicators I can tell you when you're getting close to dehydration. You guys listen very closely, this is important. If your mouth starts to get dry, you're already 20 minutes too late. Also, when you guys go to the rocket over here, to the shuttle, if your urine's not slightly yellow or clear, you're starting to get dehydrated. You need to drink some water. Keep that in mind.
It's a real thing, guys. Keep hydrated.
Yeah.
You know, if you don't have money for water, come see me, okay? It's all in the hips.
Communication is key out here. That's how you guys do it when you can.
Good morning. Right by the end of that Connex box, they're trying to run through and get in here. They're just at the entrance of city. I'm gonna go give these people some heat. Crossing. Bang, bang! Motor connects? I need that one, keep my guns down. Feel it. Look at this. Field side was clear. I can't see it close. Track this out as really if I can keep it. I'm hit! Shit! Watch out! Downrange. You got the ball, huh? We gotta take that to them. Watch out! Yeah, they're doing a lot of that. Ah, hit. Dang it. Here, take the grenade. Good job. Yeah, they're hot on that corner. Oh, okay. Yeah, I can't get him for that. Get ready.
You can't go, you're...
Guys, right there, be careful.
I got one kid out and he was scared to move.
It's a game of chance. You never know. Hey, forgive me.
Duck, you need cover. Duck.
I'm gonna cross.
Move. What are you doing?
Bootin'. I don't know what
What
this
is that?
stuff is. Want one?
No.
Why? It's sweet and juicy. Let's find out what
Last
it's all
time I
about.
heard that, it just didn't turn out right.
Look at the meat. Okay, don't eat the whole thing when you eat it. There's a pit in there.
What made you buy those?
Curiosity, man.
I've never bought it, but I'll try one here in a minute.
Yeah, all right. What do you want to try one, bud?
Yep.
That's because he wants to try one. You want to try one?
Yeah.
Don't lie to me.
Yeah. I'll try one
Don't
too.
tell me fibs. Yeah.
You might like it.
Yeah, yeah.
Feels like eyeball. Well, here we go.
No, got a pit. So just bite a little bit off of it. You'll know the pit though.
That's good.
Turns out they're freaking delicious, right?
Yes. Help yourself to my weird fruit, guys. I grew them in my basement. What are you doing then?
This is being nice.
Wait, so you're coming over with Gatorade?
Airsoft
in your
community,
cup?
baby. Boom, love it.
That is cool, man.
happen everywhere.
I was a JRTC medical officer. I was a master sergeant in my battalion. I was a medical officer whenever we did anything outside. My job revolves around making sure everyone basically got water, and if you dropped out, I'm dragging your ass. Thank you, man.
On the back, it's slow. I'll run behind you all. One crossing right. One crossing right. Yeah.
Each other at the same damn.
That was fun, dude. I didn't get you.
Sorry, man. I meant to say
You nearly did. I saw the ripple
close.
and just missed it by like half an inch.
What's up?
I think you hit someone that was like walking up to the bridge. Popped up on one thing.
Give me some suppression, guys. I'll call myself out for that too. Ooh, sorry, dude.
good.
Huh?
Was that good night you got your gun?
Oh, I full outed way too close to all them people.
Oh, I shot that one kid he was talking, I shot him.
You know, well, you hit him in the hand? Oh shit. Because I did, I pied the corner and I just kind of didn't even think twice. I just gave it to them all. They're sitting on the side of the building, coming up this way. Yes, flank him, flank him. Oh, you sneaky little fella, you. Good stop, guys. All right. I like that game. Vehicle?
Yep.
Where in the vehicle? I was about to get naded. I thought we were taking a nap. And I'll tell you what, I'll stay awake another 5 minutes if you carry me. You think these people would like get lunch one day with us? Man, fat boy. Ah! Eat it, boys! Yeah, they're over there too. They're gonna come around this Connex. Get on that corner. White blue Connex. White blue Connex. What do you want to do, buddy? Get that guy. Shoot at him. Oh, we got him.
You guys want to rush up to the barricades? They can't.
Yeah. You get on him. Yeah! Back to the barricade, it's clear! Yep. Yep, I saw that. Oh. Good meeting you, dude. Good playing today. You did really good. Like for your first time just coming out here and shooting BBs, you did really good, man. I'll see you back cows are here next time.
Thank you for being honorable.
Yes, you as well, dude. Good to meet you. Good playing with you, dude. See you next time, man.